Greetings to you this time of your day as you know time. Today we wish to speak about the forest. Forests were once predominant on your planet, and everything moved according to the flow of nature and an uninterrupted expression of Source and Gaia. The stewards of the forest are many, way before mankind assumed dominance over its natural beauty and wonders. The forest wishes to support you as it supports all life upon the earth in lots of ways, energetically and by providing food and shelter and other benefits to all of the species on the earth and some below. We urge you to connect not only with the individual trees, but with the forest itself, to ask for help from the forest spirits, the elementals, the wood sprites, fairies, and other beings which reside on your planet and have hidden themselves away for the most part from humans who would do them harm and who desecrate their beloved lands. Please know that there can be a resurgence of those elementals and other beings of the forest, but mankind will have to raise its vibration in order to allow them to trust and to know the individuals and the groups who may enter there. It is also beneficial to get to know the forest creatures. None of them are evil. All of them are divine and blessed. Please remember that. While all creatures have their own personalities and express them differently, none of them wantonly kill. None of them wantonly destroy. They all have their purpose and they carry it out each moment of the day to the best of their ability according to their own soul plan. We urge you to sit in the forests. Find yourself a tree which calls to you or resonates with you and sit with your back to it. It will replenish you and it can communicate with you and reset some of the mental disturbances, we will say. It is a grand informational and motivational species and being on your planet and highly evolved. The trees, especially the redwoods and the pines, are the stewards of your planet in amongst the forest dwellers, but all native forest creatures and trees and plants have their roles and all can contribute to your well-being in ways, many of which have been lost except to the indigenous tribes on your planet. While this may seem to be a simplified message, which many of you already are aware of, please consider it a reminder to spend more time in the forest if you are able. It is there, as many of you know, you can go to find yourself. That is important, as the forest can be that reset button you need to put things in perspective and get a hold of vibrational energies which may not serve you in the ways which you prefer. Thank you for listening to this message, and may it resonate with you. And please give the forest our love as you do yours, and honor and respect them in all ways. It will raise your vibration and help you connect with the earth energies, which is going to be even more important in the upcoming challenges and changes on your planet. Enjoy the forest, please.